Welcome back guys. Today I will be sharing with you very easy and quick to make chicken curry recipe which is an ultimate crowd pleaser and can be paired with basmati rice, naan or chapati. We will start by marinating the chicken with only 3 ingredients and leave it in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Here I have taken 2 pounds chicken and for marination I am adding salt, black pepper and juice of half lemon. Rub them properly all over the chicken and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we will dry roast 1 teaspoon each of coriander and cumin seeds on medium heat for around 3 to 5 minutes or until fragrant. This is done to get the maximum flavor out of these 2 spices. When roasting is done, remove seeds from heat and crush coarsely in pestle and mortar. Keep this dry spice mix for later use in gravy. After 30 minutes, melt clarified butter in heavy bottom pan and add 2 to 3 cloves, 2 black cardamoms, 2 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 bay leaves and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add marinated chicken to it. Fry the chicken in the clarified butter infused with spices until it is half cooked. When half done, remove chicken from heat and in the same pan add 2 dry red chilies, coarsely crushed coriander and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. When we add spices in oil, they release all the color and aroma into the oil and give our gravy very beautiful color. Now we add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add very finely chopped 2 onions and cook them until they are soft and golden brown. Now add pulp of 2 tomatoes, salt and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Don't add salt too much because we added some during marination also. Now cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat or until oil separates out. Add the half-cooked chicken, mix it properly and cook for 5 minutes before adding water. Add 3 to 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of crushed dried fenugreek and some cilantro. Cook the chicken covered for 10 to 15 minutes. Adding fresh cilantro while cooking in combination with other spices adds an exotic note to the curry. Stir in between to prevent chicken from burning. When the chicken is done, you can see the oil separation on top. Your chicken curry is ready to be served. Garnish it with fresh cilantro and enjoy with rice, naan or chapati. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.